Have you ever wondered why international calls used to be such a big deal? Crackly connections, exorbitant fees. The whole thing felt like a relic from a bygone era. Well, that era wasn't that long ago, and companies like Vonage were instrumental in changing the game. But in a world dominated by free messaging apps and international calling bundles, what exactly is the point of Vonage anymore? Let's rewind a bit. Remember those phone cards you used to buy? With a measly 10 minutes to call your aunt in Malaysia? Those were the days when international calling felt like a luxury, a special occasion activity. Enter Vonage, a company founded in 2001 that revolutionized the space with a simple yet powerful idea. VoIP, or Voice over Internet Protocol. Basically, they made it possible to use your internet connection to make international calls, bypassing the traditional phone networks and their hefty charges. Suddenly, calling your cousin in Canada wasn't a financial hurdle. Students studying abroad could chat with their families back home without breaking the bank. Businesses could expand their reach globally without worrying about telecom bills. Vonage wasn't just a company. It was a symbol of a more connected world. But here's the thing, the world has moved on. WhatsApp calls are commonplace, FaceTime bridges continents with a tap, and mobile carriers offer international calling bundles as part of their packages. So where does Vonage fit in this new landscape? Well, it turns out Vonage has evolved too. They're not just about cheap international calls anymore. They've transformed into a unified communications platform, offering a suite of features that go beyond simple voice calls. Here's where things get interesting. Imagine this, you run a small business with a remote team. With Vonage, you can have a virtual phone number that rings on all your team members' devices, no matter their location. You can set up video conferencing for brainstorming sessions, and even integrate your business phone system with your CRM software for a seamless workflow. Vonage also caters to enterprises with a global presence. Their cloud-based communication solutions allow companies to manage complex international networks with ease. Features like call recording, voicemail transcription, and real-time analytics give businesses valuable insights into their communication patterns, helping them optimize their operations. Now, here's the thing. Is Vonage the only player in this space? Absolutely not. There are several other companies offering similar unified communication solutions. So why choose Vonage? Here's where their experience comes in. They've been around the block, remember? They understand the intricacies of global communication, the challenges businesses face, and the ever-evolving needs of a constantly connected world. Their platform is known for its reliability, scalability, and user-friendliness. Plus, they offer a variety of plans to suit different business needs and budgets. Of course, the best platform for you depends on your specific needs. But Vonage is definitely a strong contender, especially for businesses looking for a comprehensive and reliable communication solution. So, to answer our initial question, is Vonage still relevant? Absolutely. They've adapted to the changing landscape, offering businesses the tools they need to thrive in a globalized world. Whether it's connecting remote teams, managing international operations, or simply streamlining communication workflows, Vonage has something to offer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.